Hey guys, we're playing a game that's called Just Tornadoes, and we're totally not inside of a tornado. Dang, that's strong! Are we recording? Hold on. Yes, we are recording. That's good. Yeah, so, this tornado. It's massive. Yeah, so there's tornadoes everywhere, and we're in Just Tornadoes. That's the game we're in, Just Tornadoes. Yeah, is this one coming our way? Yeah. We're gonna head up here and then deploy. Oh, that one's touching down. That one was rotation. Oh, it's heading this way. It's going away from us, guys. And we're going to speed up here. Now we're going to go ahead and intercept it up here. Pro. No, my car. I'm dead. My car, run! Run! My car! It's my car! My car, no! My car! Oh, I'm in the tornado! I'm the first human to intercept a tornado! Okay, I'll respawn my car. I swear if it gets... Okay, we're back at my... No! It went off the map! Did it go off the map? It went off the map! No, I fell! Oh, I got the finger and 18 in the back because I'm in my room. Tiv 1 or Tiv 2? Oh no! Where's the tornado? Oh, that's the tornado. Tornado tomato. No! Kid has voice track. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Oh, I kidnapped this kid. No! I wonder what state we're in. I'll go ahead and search it up after. That a tornado? Oh yeah, that is. That is a cone. That is probably gonna touch down. Yeah, that's a cone. That's a cone. I can't speak. Beep, beep. Oh wait, it's hitting me. Right, that is a tornado. Okay, deploy. No! No. No. Dang. Yeah, let's get back into Dominator. I was in Dominator 3, so yeah, let's get back into that. I don't know if I was on recording in Dominator 3 or not. Yeah. That one coming out good. Let's do a little bit of off-roading as we tunnel. Nope, it's going this way, actually. Let's go ahead and cross through here. Skirt. Ooh. I didn't know Dominator 3 could do those kind of stunts. We're in front of it. Probe, no. Okay, we have deployed. Huh? We're deployed! Is this an EF5? Huh? Okay. By the way, guys, if you want to follow me, I'm Nika262775. And let's go play some Twisted. No, wrong thing. Twisted. Ooh, 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, guys. Yes, it's a day server. In my opinion, EF5. No, back. We're going to this EF5. Wilmar. Very visible from here. I don't know where it is. Yeah. Here, I'll put down here. Hold on, guys. Wait, I have to get the bathroom. Okay, let's 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go quick. Okay, guys, I'm back. We have 3 highs in a row. Here it is. Right up here, guys. That is the tornado right there. If you guys can see that little dust cloud. Yeah, we sure are gonna turn around real quick. Dude. Is this the edge of the map? No, that can't be. We're in the like near the middle. Yeah, that is it. That debris? Where did that debris go? Oh, it's going the way that I'm driving right now. So yeah. Laggy. I feel very laggy right now. God, the tornado is actually very fast. Did not expect it to be that fast. Dang. Am I going to the EF5? No, I'm going to the EF4, that's fine. I don't really care. I just want to hit it. I just want to accept it. There it is. We are speeding towards this beast. This game should be based off of Minnesota. Even though Minnesota does not have tornadoes, because like it's neighboring, because like it's, some of its neighboring states, Iowa, Illinois, have more tornadoes. Are there? Oh, maybe it's EF2. But there is an EF5. So it's yeah, this EF5. EF5 is EF5 is pink, EF4 is red, EF3 is orange, EF2 yellow, yeah, we're really just playing right. Oh no. There's 3 tornadoes! I've never seen something like this. That EF2 is not on the well, okay. But yeah, 2 EF5s, 2 EF5s, 2 EF5s. Yeah, we're not gonna intercept these, but 2 EF5s. Yeah. So I'm gonna end the video here. Please like and subscribe. It helped me out a lot. And we're on the road to 300. Have a good day. Bye.